Hello everyone, and welcome to Linko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check the maximum RAM capacity and how your RAM is configured in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type in Task Manager. Select and open the Task Manager application. Once Task Manager is open, navigate to the Performance tab. Within the Performance tab, locate and select the Memory section. Here, you will see a comprehensive overview of your installed RAM, including the amount currently in use, committed memory, and importantly, the number of slots utilized. Pay close attention to the area indicating slots used. For instance, it might show 2 out of 2 slots used. This information tells you if you have available slots for potential RAM upgrades. If all slots are occupied, you would need to replace existing RAM modules to increase your total capacity. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.